All right. Well, it looks like our recording has started. My name is Lisa Miranda. I'm the program director for Rebuilding Together Metro Chicago. And what we are is a free, and I say that, always say that twice, free home repair program for homeowners in Cook County. The way we work is we always select one neighborhood within the city of Chicago and one neighborhood within Cook County each year to focus our efforts on. So for this year, we are focused on Chicago Heights in Cook County and the Inglewood community in Chicago. Like many others, due to COVID-19, we have shifted our focus in some ways just because it's difficult for us to do interior repairs with volunteers right now. So right now we are really trying to support the people who have already been accepted into our program by doing things like food deliveries, PPE deliveries, and other safety kits, including weatherization, including energy efficiency, including things to prevent falls in the home. But today's presentation, I'm going to focus on our typical programming in the hopes that things are, we will be getting back to that soon, but also just so that the people that we are serving currently are people that have already been accepted into our program. So we are not putting anybody else into those sort of our programming that we're doing right now. But I'm going to flip over to our next slide, I hope. Oop. Oh, there we go. So Rebuilding Together is the only nonprofit organization in Chicago and suburban Cook County helping low-income residents make their homes safer, healthy, and more livable at no cost. So anyone involved in any of our programming, there is no fee. That all the repair work we are able to do is done completely at no cost to them. Most of our funding comes through foundations, corporate sponsors, individual contributors, and CDBG funds in order to finance those repairs. We are focused on 3 different events typically in a year. The first one is in our major housing we have 2 housing programs and 1 community program. So our 2 housing programs are National Rebuilding Day and Safe at Home. National Rebuilding Day always takes place on the last Saturday in April. It is a large-scale event where we are doing repairs in approximately 80 homes, utilizing about 3,000 volunteers. Our volunteers come from many different sources, including union support to do plumbing, electrical, carpentry, and painting and taping, as well as volunteers just across the Chicagoland area that are looking for a way to give back. So most of them volunteer in teams, either through their workplace or through a service group that they are involved in. So for instance, we have construction companies, engineering companies, different service groups, different university groups that all volunteer alongside of us. In order to apply for that program, the National Rebuilding Program, typically applications open in the fall of the preceding year. So that would be August, September, October that we would be intaking applications for that process. You would fill out a paper application and submit that to us. We would follow up with a phone call just sort of to go over any questions that may be in your paper application and also just to explain the program to you in more detail, making sure that you understand that it is a free program, but the work is all done by volunteers. Homeowners would be selected and made aware that they are going to be part of the program typically in January, and then we use those spring months, those last winter and spring months, to plan for that April event. Our Safe at Home program is a smaller program that is also focused in homes. That one is really aimed at helping seniors and people with other mobility challenges age in place. So typical sorts of repairs, those would be adding grab bars, adding handrails, taking care of any tripping hazards. Those programs, they do operate year round, but with a particular focus on the last Saturday in April as part of National Rebuilding Day, and also in the 4th Saturday of October, which we do a larger scale event, usually the 4th Saturday in October. That's part of Make a Difference Day. In the past, we've done about 30 homes on National Rebuilding Day through Safe at Home, about 30 homes on Make a Difference Day through Safe at Home, and then we try to do some additional Safe at Home repairs throughout the year based on the funding that we have and also based on the number of applications that we get. Our third program is our Give Back Day program. This is a larger scale volunteer effort that are financed by corporations to come in and do work, repair work, similar to our home program, but all in fellow nonprofits. So we work with a lot of schools. We work with a lot of homeless shelters, youth programs, boys and girls clubs, adult daycare centers, anyone else that is a fellow nonprofit that can also benefit from repair work. Those projects bring in anywhere from 10 to, we've done them for 500 employees of a corporation, and those are scheduled also throughout the year. So how do we do it? And we are really a people power organization. We count on volunteers to do the work. That's what makes our program sustainable. That's what makes us be able to do the high quality work very economically for our homeowners. I'm just going to flash this screen up there. I'm not going to read the quotes, but this is just some of the some feedback that we've gotten from past participants. It really is a wonderful organization that really goes in and works with a homeowner to really partner to figure out what we can do for you that makes your house, we always say, warm, safe, and dry, but also that makes you comfortable to stay there long term. Our goal is always neighborhood stabilization, to make sure those long-term homeowners that really stabilize a neighborhood, and just seniors that want to stay in their home, are able to do that, but able to do that safely, be comfortable. I'm going to flash up our last slide. This is really just how to apply. Typical repairs that we do in our, I kind of went through kind of our Safe at Home, which is more grab bar and safety modification oriented. But for our typical National Rebuilding Day homes, the typical repairs that we are able to do are minor carpentry, electrical, and plumbing repairs. We do this addition to the Safe at Home repairs of adding grab bars and handrails. We are able to do painting, flooring, cabinetry, windows, and doors. Basically any interior repair. The things that we are not able to do, we are not able to do major foundation work. We do not do complete roof tear-offs, and we do not do substantial tuck pointing repairs. But past that, anything interior to your home would be a project that we would look at with you and really partner with you to see what we would be able to do to help. We do a little bit of landscaping. Sometimes we're able to do minor exterior repairs if they are affecting the interior home. Something like, that there's windows that are causing leaks that are getting into your home. We would both look at the window, but also try to repair any damage that has already occurred due to that leak. Like I said in the beginning, due to COVID, we are putting a pause on taking new applications right now, but we are maintaining a wait list so that once we are able to return to our normal work in a safe manner, bringing volunteers into the home, we will reactivate our applications. And if your information is on file with us, we would send you out an application then. So the phone number for Rebuilding Together is 312-201-1188. When you call that, you can leave your name, your address, and your phone number, just letting us know that you are interested in participating in our free home repair program. At this point, I'm going to just open it up if anybody has any questions. I believe you can't unmute yourself, but you can type anything that you'd like to ask me into the chat. So we'll give people an opportunity to do that.
Hey, Linda, this is Melissa. There's a question in the chat. It says, will downstate residents benefit from this presentation, or is it just for potential program participants in Cook County?
We are a Cook County affiliate. We're an affiliate of a national organization. So depending where you are downstate, there may be another affiliate that serves you. There is an affiliate in McHenry County. There is an affiliate in Aurora. So even though it wouldn't be the Metro Chicago serving you, those affiliates are very similar, both in their structure and in their in the work that they do. There's also a North Suburban affiliate, and just in case we have anybody that would fit in that category. Uh, the way to find out about what affiliate may be serving your area would be the quickest way is probably to Google Rebuilding Together. The national website will pop up, and they have some tools there that can direct you to what is the closest affiliate to you. If you're having any issues navigating that, still just call the Metro Chicago affiliate. We can help you walk you through that, and that phone number, it's the same phone number for everything. It's 312-201-1188.